Students, see exercise 6.3, the chapter lines and angles. Question number 1. In figure, this is the given figure. In this figure, QP and RQ, QP and this RQ, these two sides are extended of triangle PQR are produced. तो QP जो है उसको प्रोड्यूस किया आगे कहाँ तक, S पॉइंट तक, पॉइंट S, एंड जो RQ है इसको एक्सटेंड किया, प्रोड्यूस किया कहाँ तक, एक T पॉइंट तक. ठीक है. So if SPR angle, where is SPR? It is SPR. So this is 135 degree. This angle is of 135 degree. And angle PQ, this T, this is of 110 degree. You have to find angle PRQ, this angle. Okay. Now see students, here this is 110 and these two angles are linear pair of angles. Therefore, easily we can find out this angle. It will be of 70 degree, right? Now, this angle is of 135 and this is the linear pair of this angle. So, this will be of 45 degree. 135 plus 45, it comes 180 degree. So, in this way, you can find this angle and this angle. Then, by using angle sum property of a triangle, you can find out this angle. Okay. So, right, solution. In figure, this angle PQT plus angle PQR equals to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair of angles. Okay. Now here PQT is given, that is 110 degree plus angle PQR equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle PQR equals to 180 minus 110 degree, that is equal to 70 degree. So this is of 70 degree. Similarly, find out this angle QPR. Similarly, angle QPR plus SPR, angle SPR, this is also equals to 180 degree. Now QPR is not given. QPR, the SPR is 135 degree. So that is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, angle QPR equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. That is 45 degree. So it is 45 degree. Okay. This is number 2 and this is number 1. Okay. Now, using angle sum property. Now, in triangle PQR, angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ, that is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now, PQR, what is PQR? That is 70 degree, which is given. Now, just we have found out here 70. QPR, what is QPR? QPR is 45 degree plus angle PRQ, that is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, this 70 plus 45, that is 115 plus angle PRQ equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle PRQ equals to 180 minus this 115, that is 65 degree. So in this way we can find out this angle PRQ. PRQ is 65 degree. Okay, 65 and this 115 means 180. Okay. Now come to another question. Here solution. See question number 2. In figure, angle x is 62. This is of 62 degree. XYZ angle 54. XYZ, this complete angle is 54. If YO, this YO and this ZO are the bisectors of XYZ, this angle and this angle, दोनों के ये angle bisectors है. You know the angle bisector which divides the given angle in two equal parts, है ना. So as this is of 54, so definitely half of this angle it will be of 727, this angle, and this will be of 27, right. Therefore you have to find angle OZY. OZY ये एंगल आपको निकालना. तो हम क्या करते हैं, ये 62 दिया है, ये पूरा 54 दिया है, तो इसको निकालते पहले, ठीक है. सो इन ट्रायंगल XYZ using angle sum property of triangle. So angle XYZ, the XYZ means complete this, then YXZ that is simply angle X, which is given, this angle X, plus angle XZY equals to 180 degree, right. Now what is XYZ? XYZ is, this is complete angle 54. So 54 plus what is angle X? Angle X is 62 plus angle XZY equals to 180 degree. So this will 62 plus 54, 6, 116, 4 to 6, 6, 5, 116 plus angle XZY equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle XZY equals to 180 minus 116. Okay. Therefore angle XZY equal to 64. 180 minus 116. So 64. Now this is complete 64. But this ZO is angle bisector of this complete angle Z. So half of that will be 32. Therefore OZY. Now as this ZO is an angle bisector of angle XZY, therefore angle this OZY equals to half of this angle XZY. So that is half into XZY. XZY is 64. This is 64. So that is 32 degree. This is angle OZY. Okay. Find OZY. YOZ. This angle again. So this is 32 plus this is 27. Now in triangle OYZ, angle OYZ plus angle YOZ plus angle OZY equals to 180. Again using angle sum property of a triangle. So OYZ is 27. This is 27. YOZ is, we have to find out that YOZ plus OZY is OZY, that is 32. So 32 equals to 180. Okay. So this 27 plus this 32, so it is 59. So 59, yes, no, 59 plus angle YOZ, angle OZ equals to 180. Therefore angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59. So 21, 121, it will be 121 degree. 120, 180 minus 59. So 121 degree. Therefore this angle will be 120 degree. Okay. Now question number 3. Okay. In figure, if AB is parallel to DE, this AB line is parallel to DE. This is given. Angle BAC, this angle BAC or BAE, that is 35 degree. And angle CDE, this is 53 degree. So find DCE. You have to find DCE, this angle. Okay. So student, here AB and DE are parallel to each other. If I extend this line like this and extend this lines also, so this becomes transversal. AE becomes the transversal of these two parallel lines AB and DE. Therefore this angle and this angle will be equal. These are alternate interior angles. So as this is 35 degree, this will be also 35 degree. So 35 degree and 53 degree. Then by using angle sum property of a triangle, you can find out this angle C. Okay. So let us start. Solution. As AB is parallel to DE, considering AE as a transversal, okay. Therefore this angle BAC equals to angle CED. Reason, alternate interior angles, but angle BAC equals to 35 degree. Therefore using 1, this angle CED equal to BAC. Therefore angle CED, this will be also 35 degree. Okay, this is 35 degree. Now using angle sum property in CDE triangle. Now in triangle CDE, using angle sum property of a triangle. So angle DCE means this angle, which we have to find out now. Angle CDE, DEC, angle DEC, this angle, plus CDE plus angle CDE, sum will be 180 degree. Okay. Therefore angle DCE plus DEC is 35 degree. DEC 35 degree plus CDE is 53 degree equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle DCE equals to 180 degree. This minus 35 degree and minus 53 degree. So which comes 92 degree. Therefore angle DCE equals to 92 degree. Okay. Now come to this next question. In question number 4, in figure, if lines PQ and RS, this is PQ line, this is RS line, these two lines are intersecting each other at point T. Lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that PRT angle जो है वो 40 डिग्री का है. PRT, this is of 40 degree angle RPT it is 95 degree, and angle TSQ that is 75 degree. Okay, these three angles are given and it is asked to find out angle SQT ये वाला एंगल आपको निकालना है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या पैरेलल दी है, देखो PQ एंड R इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है, यहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट हो रही. अब यहाँ पे दो एंगल्स के ये दो एंगल्स मालूम है, तो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से हम ये एंगल को निकालेंगे पहले. ठीक है, तो एंगल इन ट्रायंगल PRT, इन ट्रायंगल PRT using angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so angle this P plus angle R plus angle PTR, angle PTR equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle P is 95 degree plus angle R is 40 degree. Okay, plus angle PTR equals to 180 degree. Therefore 95 plus 40 135 degree plus angle PTR equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle PTR equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree, that is equal to 45 degree. So this is of 45 degree. Okay, now this angle is vertically opposite angle, so this will be of 45 degree. Now angle PTR equal to STQ, angle STQ. Reason, vertically opposite angles, but PTR is 45, therefore angle STQ will also be of 45 degree. Okay, this number. So this is 45 degree. Again we can use here the angle sum property of a triangle STQ. Now in triangle STQ में using angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so angle STQ, this angle plus TSQ, angle TSQ plus angle SQT equals to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now STQ is 45 degree plus TSQ is 75 degree plus angle SQT equals to 180 degree. Therefore this 75 plus 45 120 degree plus angle SQT equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle SQT, this SQT equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So this is the answer. Okay student, ठीक है.